Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the light bulb on your GE microwave. Now, removing and reinstalling the light bulb really does not require any special tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you're going to be looking at removing and replacing the light bulb is over time, the light bulbs will just plain stop working. The filament opens up and you have to replace it. That's just normal wear and tear. So the first thing we want to do when we talk about removing and reinstalling the light bulb is to remove the power from the microwave. So in most cases, it's just a matter of pulling the plug from the outlet. If yours is hardwired in or you can't access the plug, then of course you can go to your fuse panel and either remove the fuse or turn off your circuit breaker. Now in the case of your microwave, if it's an over-the-counter microwave such as this one, it's going to be mounted up into your cabinet, and to remove and replace the light bulb, you do not have to take the microwave down. For us to demonstrate it here for you today, I'm going to basically be taking the microwave and putting it on its back so you can see the view of it as if you were looking underneath, as it would be in your home. So this microwave actually has two lights. Some only have one, but this microwave has two. And they are both serviced the same way, whether it's the left light or the right light. Just need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. That allows you to pop open the little window, just lower it down, and it'll just hang there on its own. Now that you have the door open, you're just going to reach in, take hold of the bulb, and unscrew it. So installation of the light bulb is just as easy. It's just the same process but in reverse. So you're just going to bring your new light bulb up, insert it into the socket, and then turn it in a clockwise direction until it settles in, and just give it a little tighten. And then your next step will be to close the access door, reinsert the screw that holds it, snug the screw in, and then you're all set. Now your microwave is ready to be put back into use, so you're just going to want to plug it back in, or if you turned off your circuit breaker, you'll just reset your breaker or put the fuse back in. So there you go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the light bulb in your GE microwave.